How to connect Pump.fun to Phantom Wallet 2025. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about Pump.fun and how you're going to be connecting it to your Phantom Wallet. So to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to come up here on the search icon and you're going to search up Pump.fun. Now, here's going to be Pump.fun. So what you're going to do is you're simply going to open it and it's going to be bringing you here. So once it brings you here, what happens in this section is you're going to click on Connect Wallet, and here we have our Phantom wallet. So simply click on that. And once you click on that, you're going to click on connect again. And once you've done all of that, simply click on confirm. And once that is done, as you can see, we now have our Pump Fund connected to our Phantom wallet. So that is literally how simple and easy it is to go ahead and connect your Pump Fund to your Phantom wallet in the easiest way. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.